Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the weekly analysis of Nifty stocks using the same method that I have explained in detail in my earlier video about the strategy. It's a three-step price action strategy. We are not going to use any indicators. It's clean chart and pure price action. Okay, so if you don't know the three-step strategy, please refer to my earlier video and I'll provide you the link in the description as well. Please go through that if you haven't done yet. So let's dig into it. So I have shortlisted some of the stocks that I'm interested in for trading for the next week. So first one is Bharti Airtel. Okay, in this we are using this three-step price action strategy. The first one is identifying the trend. Second one is identifying the entry zone that we would be interested in taking the trades, and third step is doing the quality test of the trade opportunity as and when it arises within our entry zone. Okay, so as you can see here, the price is going up. It is in an uptrend, which is very clear because it is making nice higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so we know it is in an uptrend now. So what we are going to do is we're going to identify the entry zone that we are interested in. As you can see, this was the previous high. Okay, that was the previous high that we can refer to and mark our zones. Okay, this is the zone I would be interested in. So if the price say comes back to this level again and give us an opportunity, a buying opportunity. Remember, we are going to trade only with the trend. So the trend is up, we are only looking for buying opportunities and not selling opportunities whatsoever. So we'll be looking for buying opportunities in this zone, okay, in this area basically, and then look for a continuation of the uptrend. That's the whole idea of this one. So when the price comes to this marked area, that is where we would be interested in taking the buying opportunities. Okay, and once it reaches here, we will see if the quality of the trade opportunity meets our criteria, which is 1:2 risk to reward ratio. And looking at it, the next level of resistance is somewhere here. So if we get a good entry opportunity, I don't think we should be missing the trade, because we would be having a very nice risk to reward ratio. So once the price hits this zone, the marked zone here, the support zone, then we'll be interested in buying it, buying Bharti Airtel. The next one is Chola Finance. Again here, this is in an uptrend. As you can clearly see, it's making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, and the price is actually stalling here. So this is actually right now it is in the area of interest. Okay, so that is where we're looking for buying opportunities. So we don't have a clear buying opportunity yet. So if it prints like a nice bull bar during the next week, then we'll be looking for buying opportunities here. So the trend is up, we have marked our entry zone, and once we get a trading opportunity, we are going to do the quality test whether it meets 1:2 risk to reward ratio. And obviously it is completely in an uncharted territory. Chola is making new highs here. So we are expecting some sort of buying opportunity in this zone here somewhere, and then look for a continuation of the uptrend. So this is another stock we'd be interested in, and it is actually in the zone, and we just want an opportunity basically that we can work on. The next one is Aurobindo Pharma. Even this is in an uptrend, and as I said, it's here, it's higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and possible higher low, and maybe continue like this. So we will mark the zones that we are interested in. It is also currently, kind of within our zone of interest. So if we mark this zone here, and we don't have a clear opportunity to buy, so maybe if it comes down here, and then if we get a nice buying opportunity, we are going to buy. And remember, we are not looking for any sell opportunities in this particular stock right now, okay, for the next week maybe. So we're looking for a good buying opportunity. That's all, and that's out of in the former for you. And even in this, I don't think risk to reward should be a problem here, because the next level of resistance is somewhere here, so we should get 1:2 quite easily in this trade. Next one is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance is up. It's no doubt, I don't think any it's debatable even, because it is clearly in an uptrend. And then the level of support we could mark somewhere here maybe, and if price comes to this level here, and then we look for buying opportunities and trend continuation. Okay, so this is also this Bajaj Finance can provide us a good buying opportunity next week that we have to look out for. And as in the next videos, I'll be posting how you like the advanced entry methods. So if I get some good likes, and you guys keep supporting me by subscribing to my channel and giving me a thumbs up for the videos, I'll be posting advanced entry method as well, so that you can get a better entry price in the zone. And I'm going to explain you some other strategies, advanced strategies, but for now we're going to keep it very simple for the next few videos. So if you get a good buying opportunity on the daily basis, we're going to buy and look for 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, and this is kind of acting as a resistance zone, mind you. And then so if you get a good buying opportunity, we are expecting it to break this resistance and go above that. And the next one is Berger Paint. In this is also an uptrend, and we would be interested in this stock maybe if we see some sort of correction, maybe to this level here. Sorry. Okay, if you see some sort of correction to around this area here, then we'll be interested in buying this stock as well. Okay, so expecting it to do something like this. Come down to this level, give us a nice buying opportunity, and expecting a trend continuation from that zone. Okay, next one is Biocon. Again, it's the same strategy, three-step strategy. The trend is kind of up now. It's making, you can clearly see it's making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so the zone that we would be interested in is this zone here, in this zone. So we will see how price comes to this level and then look for a buying opportunity. And also remember that we just don't simply buy when the price comes to our entry zone or the zone of interest. We will see how the price approaches that zone. What I mean by that is, suppose, let me just give you a quick example here. Let's say this is a support zone, okay, and if the price is in an uptrend, something like this, and if you have marked this as a support zone, we will see if the price falls very quickly to this level, then we are looking for a second entry, not a first entry, something of this sort maybe. Only if the price does something like this, like weaker reaction to this level from the bears, then we are going to look for a first trading entry itself, first trading opportunity, buy opportunity, and look for a trend continuation. Okay, all these things have been explained in my strategy video. Please refer to that if you have forgotten it or if you haven't watched it yet. I'll provide you the link in the description. The next one is Britannia. It's kind of it was coming down from this level here, it's making like downward trend, but now we can see that it's the price doesn't want to go down. Looks like it doesn't want to go down, it wants to go up, and it is trying to do that. So considering that, we'll be, we have to get a very nice entry reason to buy this stock. Okay, so this is a zone of interest. and I'm expecting maybe the price might do something like this and then test these levels and then give us a buying opportunity and take the prices higher. And also you have to understand that the resistance level is just right around this area, so you have to check whether you have got a, while doing the quality test, you have to see whether you have got a nice 1:2 risk to reward ratio, and within this area basically, okay, within this area here. Okay guys, the next one is Cadila Healthcare. Even this is in an uptrend. The zone of interest is somewhere here, maybe this whole zone here, so it is around that zone. So if you get a nice buying opportunity, then we will buy for a trend continuation. Okay, the next one is Grasim. This is in a clear uptrend, and if price falls to somewhere around this area here, we would be interested in buying. Again, you have to see if it's falling very quickly from this level here, like say as it is doing now. If the fall continues like that very sharply, then we'll look for a second entry and not the first entry, and then look for an uptrend. Okay, only if it weakens after this in the next week, if it weakens and price stalls while approaching this zone here, like something like this, then we'll look for a first trading opportunity itself on the buy side. The next one is HDFC Bank. This is also in a very nice uptrend, and it is currently around the support zone itself. I mean, ideally I would have preferred this zone here. Probably from my previous video you might have seen I would have marked this as a zone of interest, but now it has made a significant move to the upside. Okay, so if we get a nice buy opportunity in this zone here, then I'll be interested in buying as well. In case if price falls sharply and then comes down, breaking that support zone, then maybe I'll be looking for entries and somewhere here. Okay. Next one is ICICI Bank. This is from the previous week's support and trading ideas. It didn't come to these entry zones at all, so I'm going to remove these drawings here. And if you look here, the fresh zone would be I would say somewhere here. Okay, so if price comes down to this level here, I'll be looking for buying opportunity, and it's a simple three-step strategy. Trend is clearly up. Trend is clearly up. We have marked our entry zone here, and then we look for a trading opportunity and do the quality test. That's all. It involves only 3 steps. The next one is IndusInd Bank. Again, it is in an uptrend, and then I would be interested in buying opportunity when the price comes here and give us a nice entry opportunity with proper reasons to buy. I'll be buying this. Next one is Manappuram Gold. Manappuram Finance. So if you see here, this is the zone I would be I would be interested in, and it is around that zone. So if I get a nice entry reason, then I might look for a buying opportunity here. In case if price drops, then it turns as a negative bias, and then when it comes back to this zone here, it will act as resistance, and I look for a selling opportunity if this happens. So as you can see, we are prepared for both the scenarios here. Just to see, if you don't want to trade this, even that is also fine, because it's not like a clear one. Okay, so the price can do the second scenario as well, so we will see how it goes. Tech Mahindra, again in an uptrend, and then this would be my zone of interest. If price comes to this level, I'll be looking for a buying opportunity. Till then, I am not interested in this stock whatsoever, or I'm interested only if the price comes to this zone here, and then look for a buying opportunity, not a selling opportunity, unless the price just falls below that, then I'll be changing my bias. But till then, I'll be bullish on this stock. Ultratech Cement, okay, I've already marked this. As you can see, this is an uptrend and this is a zone that I have, and this is the thing I would be looking to do. As you can see, in this is a very nice example to suggest that this one came down very sharply, and I'm not interested in the first entry as such. That's why I marked this W shape, looking for a second entry on this particular stock. Okay, so I think those are the stocks I'd be interested in trading for the next week. See you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and also like this video and share this video with your friends. That will be a big motivation for me, and it will go a long way, and I'll be producing much more videos that would be helpful for you. Thank you guys.